Dr. Zakir, how do we admonish a person who does not guard his tongue whilst fasting in the month of Ramadan?
Guarding the tongue is very important because many a times, or most of the times, the tongue can cause more damage to a person than whether it be physical torture or whatever it is. You know, tongue. So, a person should be careful of the tongue. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, and there are various hadith dealing with this topic. If you read the hadith of Musannaf Ibn Abi Shayba, volume number 5, in the book of Manners, hadith number 26490, Ibn Masud, may Allah be pleased with him, he says that by Allah, there is nothing more deserving than the extended control of the tongue. And a similar message is given in the next hadith of Musannaf Ibn Abi Shayba, volume number 5, in the book of Manners, hadith number 26491, where Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, he says, holding his tongue, that this is the thing that has got me to this position. That means he was careful of his tongue. That is the reason he reached this position. And there are many verses in the Quran where Allah says in Surah Qaf, chapter number 50, verse number 18, that not a word that you say which is not written by a sentinel without noting it down. That means every word that you say is being written down by an angel. Further, it's mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 53. Allah says that say to the believers that they should say things which are best. And Satan, many a time, he sows discord amongst the people, amongst the human beings. And Satan to you is an avowed enemy. So Allah says and guides us in the Quran that we be careful when you use your tongue. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, this hadith mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, hadith number 6484, where a beloved Prophet Muhammad said that a Muslim to another Muslim, he should not harm him by his tongue or his hands. That a Muslim is a person who does not harm the other Muslim by his hand or by his tongue. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad further said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, hadith number 6474, where our beloved Prophet said that anyone who can guarantee the safety, that is the chastity, of what is between the two jawbones, talking about the tongue, and what is between the two legs, talking about the private part, he will be guaranteed paradise. With a person who can guarantee the chastity, the safety of the tongue and the private part, he will be guaranteed paradise. My beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, further said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, hadith number 6475, that he said that he who believes in Allah and the last day, he should either speak what is good or he should keep quiet. That means when you open your tongue, speak what is good, otherwise keep quiet. And a Prophet also said, as I mentioned in several hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1894, hadith number 1904, that fasting is a shield. So fasting helps you to protect and helps you in self-control, and a person should guard his tongue. That is the best for him.